Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Banging TV, where the truth meets traditional and secret always find their way to the surface. Season 9 of Uthando Nesthembu is coming very soon, and this time the storm has a name. The 5 wives, 1 husband, and a legacy on the edge of collapse. Musa Mseleku has preached love, respect, and unity. But what happens when the love fades and the wives start to fight for survival? Umacele, the first lady, the first wife. Macele walking, talking in a dairy room. Clips of her leading family discussion. The first wife will begin the maternal. Macele, the first lady, the foundation of Umseleko household. She's respected, feared, and sometimes misunderstood. Yes, we know that most of the time Umacele, she has been fully misunderstood. And hey, I guess it comes with being the first wife. They say being the first means being the strongest, but this is Macele faces her toughest challenge yet, keeping control when everything is falling apart. Yes, as always, Undlunkulu has to stand up to make sure that everyone is still on their feet. As the first wife, she is the foundation of Umseleku's wives, and she has never disappointed us from day one. She has stood her ground. She has kept quiet when she should have expected to say so many things. Yes, she is a strong foundation indeed. My second wife, Mayeni, the quiet one, the silent one, but deep down, indeed it is the silent storm. Mayeni's silent reaction when season 8 ended, it said so much rage. And then there is Mayeni, quiet and graceful and deadly when pushed too far. For years her silence protected her peace, but now she's done holding back. This season, expect to see Mayeni's voice, firm, direct, and unfiltered. When Mayeni speaks, even Musa Mseleku is surprised with hi. As Musa Mseleku said, out of all your wives, Mayeni is the most difficult one in her silent. Washo wathi ukubana uMayeni uyena umfazi ongihlupha kakhulu ukudlula bonke. I guess we all know why she's so difficult. But hey, at the same time we meet uMangwabe. At sometimes she's been fully misunderstood for a rebel. Mangwabe in a family meetings, moments of disagreement, walking away since she always walks away. When things are not going too well or they are not going according to what serves Umangwabe, she just walks away, as she always do. We saw even at the 50th birthday of Musa Mseleku, she came so late and she was the first one to leave at the same time. Mangwabe has always been the independent one, the woman who isn't afraid of walking alone. In season 9, her patience runs out. Rumor of her leaving the marriage return, and this time she might mean it. When love becomes duty and duty turns into pain, even the strongest woman questions her place. And then yes, we've got our most beautiful Makhe or Makhumalo Mseleku. Makhumalo on her set of her show emotionally clips moments with Musa. Makhumalo, the heart of Musa Mseleku, the heart of Mseleku family. You can see that uMakhumalo, she is loved by everyone, even the kids, even Abomnini, Abompilo. She even loved the most difficult child that everyone does not understand, Usne. She still shows love. Makhumalo, she's the heart of the family, but behind that smile lies a woman fighting silent battle. Musa's comment about her childlessness still echoes, and this season she's determined to prove her worth beyond motherhood. That was when season 8 ended, when Musa Mseleko had mentioned that what was Makhumalo brought for at Mseleko's homestead, she hasn't fulfilled that. That cut too deep. In any other woman that watched that would see that it was so deeply painful. Makhumalo's journey will touch hearts again, but it may also break them. We are waiting for season 9. And then we've got our own 2K. The girl, the youngest one of them all, Umakhwela. Umakhwela, Uzamke, the new wife, got introduced on season 8. And then when season 8 ended, we also got introduced that she's got a baby girl. And yes, we can see now the baby is growing and growing and growing and growing. We're seeing them doing OTDs. In season 9, we will see whether Makhwela fits into the Mseleko world or bends it down from within. As we can all see that she's also a calm. Her arrival shakes the entire family. Some sees her as a threat and others as the final piece of Musa Mseleko's dream. But one thing is certain, Makhwela is not afraid to take her place. We will see that her boldness, beautiful and unapologetic, Makhumalo. As we all turn to Musa Mseleko on season 9, we can see that Musa Mseleko's health on season 8, it scared everyone. He was in hospital, he came back and he wasn't doing so well. Even his eyesight wasn't doing so well. But on season 9, we're all expecting and we hope that he's doing so much better, and we've been seeing that he is doing so much better because we've been seeing him on Ingane Zestembu. Musa Mseleko interviews reflect moment family meetings. Musa Mseleko's kingdom is no longer peaceful. The man who once controlled every decision now faces rebellion from wives, from children, and from fate itself. His health scares return and his authority weakens. Will he hold his family together, or will his empire crumble before his eyes? Musa Mseleko's kingdom is no longer peaceful. We've seen that as we had scares of Umayeni leaving, Umangwabe also leaving. Are they leaving? We can't wait to see season 9. Coming back to the children, we are seeing the Musa Mseleko's kids, Umpumelelo Mseleko, carrying the legacy of polygamy. We are seeing carrying his father's torch, already living the polygamy life, but his confidence comes with controversy. Not everyone approves, and season 9 might reveal the consequences of following too closely in his father's shoes. We know that Amahlebiyela got lobolad and Tirelo, she got engaged. Yes, and Usne remains the family's unfiltered voice. She speaks the truth, loud and fearless. This season, her independence clashes down head on with Musa's authority when father and daughter collide. Guys, we all cannot wait. Stay tuned, family. This is Banging TV, where you don't just watch the story, we live it. Like, share your thought about what are you expecting on season 9 of Uthando Nesthembu. In the world of Uthando Nesthembu, love is power, and power always comes at a price. Season 9 promises, heartbreaks, the truth, everything, every drama that comes with it. This season isn't about who wins, it's about who survives. It is the survival's place indeed. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more drama straight from the Muselekos family. Thank you very much.
Stop it.